aku start tengok Blue Lock ni kan, oh, this is going to be a story about football, and then that's it. So macam, okay lah, I give this a football ni anime chance lah. First match belum apa-apa, main character punya team dah kalah. Then they introduce us to the whole concept of Blue Lock. It is a training camp. Dia punya concept very simple. Jepun right now, they are being held back by the same thing that is making them strong, tapi tak boleh menang. Because you are playing too much into the team and there is nobody taking the initiative. Japan cannot progress to become the world champion. Some people have compared it to Squid Games. It is a training camp where you akan fight for the only guaranteed spot untuk mewakili Jepun. They are looking for the greatest striker that the country can produce. You have to find out what makes you the best striker, and then you have to survive their own challenges. The way it is done, they break down what Japan thinks makes a good striker, and then they challenge you balik.
Blue Lock ni diadaptasi dari manga shonen oleh Kaneshiro Muneyuki dan mangaka Nomura Yusuke.